Many years ago, insurance was very much about who sold your product. Over the last several years, we've really been focused on technology and sophistication of pricing. And amazingly, we're back to where we started.
Farmers Insurance is the third largest P&C company in the US. We are roughly around $18 to $20 billion in revenue. We wanted to understand how our agents were selling their policies, the way they were selling it, and how can we use the sales force as a primary channel to grow our business.
One of the real key areas within our captive agency organization is focusing on what I'll call the nature versus nurture discussion. The nature discussion obviously is very much like children. Nurture is all the things we do to them or for them after they join the organization. The game changer with CRM is that nurture aspect.
We did not make it a technology piece. We said this is a business need, and what does the business want?
The outgrowth of our marketing roadmap work and research around that is actually the MyFieldPoint system.
The goal of the MyFieldPoint project was to provide an enterprise CRM solution and an enterprise analytical capability for our sales force.
What we looked at were very much around account management, lead management, really putting in things around the agency profile, which is the basis of a lot of the CRM tool. Our issue was consolidating the agency data from multiple integrations we had done over a course of many, many years, getting that system up and running, and then building the interface into MyFieldPoint to use that data.
So we had to go through this painful process of identifying all the different systems, understanding the data, understanding the Siebel data model, and trying to actually take the data and convert it into that.
One of the key areas was around change management. The week after we went live, we started getting the defects. Well, we did not have the backroom processes on the business side, and actually on the IT side, really formalized. So we had to turn on a dime and start putting in those processes.
Start to finish, I would say that the project took roughly between 12 to 18 months. We did not break the call center application when we built this. And that's the beauty of it, as we were able to add further modules of Siebel. We did not break the existing ones, and the quality and the stability of the other products remained the same.
We're at the point where we've actually gotten through the pain of the installation. We've been through the transition and change management. We're growing actually month to month on our usage of the tools and the functions within the Siebel application.
We were able to use this opportunity to not only get an enterprise view of the data, but use this opportunity to clean up our data, and that's what we did.
We've been able to stabilize many of the data issues, and obviously the change management associated with it is getting better ingrained every single day.
We have actually standardized not only specifically for Siebel CRM, but we took the Siebel and we created it with the COE model in mind, so that as further Siebel implementations come, it is all built over that, so it's scalable and it's expandable, and we can add multiple business units as it comes.
We're seeing about 50,000 transactions a week, which is a very active use of our CRM application.
Licensing cost of some of your competitor products, the IT cost of maintaining some of our existing systems, all those added to some of our hard dollar savings, because now we would be able to decommission all that and bring it into one single system.
We're now looking at the future. We're looking at turning on some of the components which we purposely turned off at the beginning of the project.
Now the people on the field actually make a phone call as soon as an activity is done.
AE name Linda Drath, UPN 144.
They leave a 2-minute voicemail. That voicemail is transcribed into the MyFieldPoint application automatically.
Today, with our MyFieldPoint CRM solution, we're seeing the benefits from the core application. Within our independent agency organization, we're actually moving our business forward. Within our captive agency organization, we're seeing some of those initial benefits that we really saw in the tool itself. We're looking forward to the opportunities that the CRM tool is going to provide us into the future.